idea for entrepreneurship, and we seek to revolutionize the field of education. What we see nowadays, the students, they have become smart in everything. We have smartphones, we have smart classes, but the learning process, they're still writing in hard copies, in notebooks, registers. What idea we have come up with, that we seek to revolutionize this part, we come up with a customized tablet in which we seek to make the student smart the way he writes. So, but the most important part, a parent is always concerned about the child, about the distractions. So if you give an electronic device to your child, so the parent would definitely be concerned about it. So we customize it that way that the child cannot play anything, any music, any apps that are not regulated by the master tab, which would be under the control of the class teacher and the student. So that student cannot play any other videos but the lectures that have been sent to the tab by the teachers. And what happens in this is in the class, the child can, even if he wants to use soft copies, he can write, he can use the pressure tabs which are already available in the market, and therefore he can convert into the text. And in the class, when they're doing it, if the child tries to misuse it, if the child is trying to message, every activity of the child is regulated by the master tab, which, as I told you, will be under the control of the class teacher. So if the child tries to message inside the class, then the message goes to the teacher first. In case you are making notes inside the class, and the teacher can click on it, every child will have a login ID. The teacher can click on the link of the particular child, which will be his name, and open it, and if that child sends a message or whatever the person is doing, the teacher can check the notes. Another thing, we seek to get our funds and investment from a bank, and also we are going to take our presentation to some potential investors and seek their investment. Then we seek to our marketplaces would be the colleges, the schools, the coaching, and we will also go for advertisement and for sending our product to the parents, to their offices. And the teachers can send their notes, and the return on investment we seek, first we're going to get margin on the tab that we provide. The tab manufacturer who is customizing this for us, that person is going to give us a margin on this. Then also we will have the publisher, for him it is a very tedious task, transport and a lot of sales persons. Now he can provide us soft copies, so we can also get margin from that person.
Very important question. Will you take that kind of tab?
Yes, because we are trying to make it very affordable. Nowadays,
it is not about the affordability.
Yeah.
Will you take that tab which is not allowing you to play any game or send a message, or is not allowing you to do any kind of social networking?
See, kids already nowadays have their phones, their laptops. So this thing is really going to convince the parents, because it's going to take away the burden of
parents are not convinced, because parents will always be on their toes just for the safety and security of their kids. So what you are trying to do is you are putting kind of a leash in the neck of the student कि बेटा तुम ये नहीं कर सकते. So how many people would be interested in that kind of tab?
See, we are trying to revolutionize the method. See, we write in copy and papers. So we are trying to change that. So this is just a substitute.
Are you aware why that copy and pen concept is still existing? Because your learning process happens when you start writing something. So if we are abolishing that also...
No, we are not abolishing writing.
Okay.
That is what I told you. If a person wants to write a soft copy, he can. There are pressure tabs available which can send and convert your writing into text, into that tab.
So that's fair enough. That's another additional feature. Yeah. But when that particular tab is not allowing you to do certain things, because the span of anybody's attention is not more than 30 seconds.
See, when we have books and notebooks in front of us, then also we have to concentrate. So that is what this is, just a substitute for the copies and pens. The copies and pens do not entertain us that way.
And why do you think that only colleges and schools or universities will be interested in that?
We are going to begin with that. Yes,
But are you not becoming a competitor to these colleges and schools?
No, we're not becoming competitors because see, lectures are important. Books are available right now also, but people have to go to colleges, they have to go to schools. So this is, you will be going to school. This is also.
In my understanding, it is just simply saving small that particular time of writing, but you're still writing. It is just only converting that you do not have to carry a copy, but a smart tab, which is simply you're writing on there.
But see, if you have to send notes to somebody, maybe you have to take a picture and you have to type it, so it takes a long time. In this, we are going to create another thing that we can send it at the same time.
Why should I take this?
Because see, this old time thing, everything is changing. A child is getting updated in every field. It's just that when the person goes to a school or to the class, at that time the person feels a lot of times the things get slow. All the time the person feels very quick, fast, at pace. When he's outside the classes. But when he goes to the class, he feels a little slow, he has to do the same thing, the lecturer is saying something, you have to make notes, then go home, copy it, tear it out. So this way, it is just fast and efficient. So this Android carrying an electronic device with you. So it's going to make you feel also updated.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Let's have a big